Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently you have in this instrument on the lower time frame. As you can see, gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long term bearish market. Previous months, we have seen gold has formed this monthly bearish candle. Now, this candle has a long wick at the bottom, and also there is a healthy body at the top, which means that there was a significant movement has gone up for a pullback, and we can expect another attempt from the seller to create a new lower low. Now as the market is approaching monthly 20 EMA, what I think that the price may drop further and it could break the previous monthly low, and we can expect for the price to come back down to create a new lower low. So from the monthly, we can expect euro jpy to remain bearish. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, previous week gold has formed a long wick doji. Now this doji, we have seen that has crossed this rejection zone completely to the upside. After creating an overextended market, gold has dropped with this long wick doji. Now, currently, this week, once the market opened with a gap, we saw that the sellers started to sell this market and the price started to drop aggressively. Currently, the price below the previous weekly low. As this market is dropping, we can expect after little pullback to continue to drop. And what I think that before the monthly close, we can expect another retest of this weekly low, which is still there is a huge gap to fill from the lower time frame perspective. If we look at the daily time frame, we can see that today the market opened with a gap and with a wickless candle. This gap is quite significant from the daily as there is a high liquidity in that zone, and we can expect at any point today for the price to go ahead and test this gap. Already we have seen a couple of times on the lower time frame the price tested, and then we can expect for the price to continue to drop. Now if we look at other time frame like on the monthly and weekly along with the daily, we see that the price this weekly support also aligning with this strong rejection on the daily time frame, which is very important level of support. And also this is where the smart money zone. Now what we can expect on the lower time frame, at some point this week gold may continue to drop to break the low to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the 1 hour chart to see where the price is heading, and we have seen previous session there was an unusual movement to the upside, which is in fact a pure liquidity grab, has broken all this liquidity zone and created this long wick doji on the 1 hour chart. Just below this 20 EMA, we saw that there was a strong rejection. With the rejection, what I think that as this is the zone where we are expecting on the daily time frame to grab liquidity, still we can expect further upside for another wave of liquidity grab along the zone. What I think that on the lower time frame, as soon as we see that gold has violated that area, grab liquidity for this potential move to the downside, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.